Hello, I'm Helen Panza, and I'm your instructor for Management Principles. We will spend the next 8 weeks together talking and discussing principles of management, everything from HR, ethics, management styles, and how to be an effective manager will be covered. We'll be talking about different topics in our live sessions, which begin on Wednesday, February 5th. No, our class begins on Wednesday, February 5th. Our live session is Wednesday, February 7th. We will have a morning live session only that day. There will be no evening session on February 7th. Our other live sessions will have both morning and evening sessions. As with all of our courses here at Bryan University, you will have learn-its to do every week. Every week you'll have an assignment. This course is very writing intensive, so sharpen your pencils, get out your editing skills, and be prepared to write. If you don't love writing, it's okay. You're going to get better at it. If you love it, you're going to have fun with every assignment. We're here to help you as well. Look in your course. You know how to reach me. I'll be reminding you when our live sessions begin, and if I see that some attention is needed in your coursework. Get your grid on, manage your calendars, save time for assignments, learn-its, reading, yellow dig, and our live sessions. Mark them in your calendars. I will see you at our first live session on the 7th of February. If you have any questions, please reach out either through inbox or through my SMS number, which I'm sure you all know or can find in the course. And have a great week.